Imagine how wonderful it would be if people respected you, your loved ones, your superiors, and your colleagues. I want to share a secret with you. Gaining respect is much easier than it seems. Respect is fundamental in every relationship, both with others and with ourselves. We have long been talking about the importance of self-love, which is different from narcissism and selfishness, but is based on respect for ourselves, our bodies, and our values. In today's increasingly complex society, respect is not always evident. Lack of respect can manifest itself in various ways: a glance, a joke, an unkind sentence, or forms of prevarication and mistrust. Human beings have a natural tendency to disrespect others and themselves. Unfortunately, many people confuse respect with arrogance and the claim to gain respect by force and authority. However, true respect is not based on these negative criteria. People do not respect you out of fear or dread, but because they feel good in your presence, based on positive emotions such as love. Therefore, to gain respect, it is not necessary to raise your voice or become harsher. The first fundamental point is kindness. Being kind not only makes us feel better, it is also a glue in human relationships. Reliability is another crucial element. Keeping your word, being punctual, and doing what you say you will do are behaviors that generate respect. Credibility comes from the consistency of our personal history and actions. It is important to be authentic and transparent and not pretend to be something we are not. Honesty is essential, both towards ourselves and towards others. We must be honest about our values and our actions. Finally, empathy is essential to understand others and establish deep bonds. People feel respected when they feel we understand their moods and when we build bridges instead of disconnections. In conclusion, gaining respect is a process that requires commitment and awareness. By incorporating kindness, trustworthiness, credibility, honesty, and empathy into our daily interactions, we can build deeper and more meaningful relationships with others and ourselves. Let us always remember that mutual respect is the foundation on which a healthy and harmonious society is built. If you found this video useful and would like to explore the topic of respect and self-esteem further, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Together, we can create a world where respect and mutual understanding are the basis of all human interaction. Thank you for watching this video, and always remember to take care of yourself and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. What did you think of this video? Did you find it useful? Let us know in the comments.